And welcome to Sarauniyar Hausa Channel TV. Boko Haram leader Abubakar Shekau is begging us that he is ready to surrender, said the sustaining offensive against Boko Haram and Islamic State for the West African province might see them surrender soon, following a brutal grand offensive mounted by the army force of Nigeria against Boko Haram and the Islamic State for West African province. The body language of the terror leader, Abubakar Shekau, is that of the surrender military authority, he said yesterday. This comes after they confirmed the killing of key Boko Haram commanders during the airstrike on Turuba, Borno State. According to the report by this day, speaking at the briefing in Abuja, attended by the leadership of Nikon, leader by the Major General Victor Ezigo, the coordinator of the Directorates of Defense Media Operation. The Major General John Eric said that while there was no official contact with the terror leader, his body language showed that he was ready to surrender. He added that the Boko Haram has been disgraced by the ongoing pounding of his force and structures. If he talk about body language, the body language is there. If he makes any move in the regard, he will know. But from the onslaughting from troop, they can't hide it anymore, he said. Thank you for listening, House of Sarauniyar TV. Don't forget to subscribe our channel on YouTube for more update. Thank you for listening.